Welcome to another episode of New Tech, where we look at the apps, devices and accessories that make being Sikh and Punjabi more awesome. This episode, we're going to look at learning Punjabi apps for the iPhone and for Android. Gone are the days when you're going to get shittar from the Punjabi school teacher. Now you can learn in the comfort and privacy of your own home. Today we'll be looking at 6 Punjabi applications. 2 of them teach you basic alphabet, 2 of them look at basic vocabulary for children, and 2 of them are a bit more comprehensive in the range of vocabulary that they teach. So let's look at the first basic Punjabi app, Learn Punjabi. It has a very clean interface and it teaches you alphabets and numbers. The voiceover is very cool, it's very nice and clear, and you just simply trace, and then you have the best feature of the app. Thank you. So that's all it teaches you really, is alphabets and numbers. It's £2.50 on the iTunes store, $4 if you're in North America, and it's 65p on the Google Play Store. Punjabi School is a little bit more comprehensive in terms of when it teaches you the alphabet, it teaches you words. The voiceover isn't as clear as the previous app. You also have the alphabet tracing. So you can click show trace and it shows you how to actually draw. These next 2 apps are designed specifically for children to teach them basic vocabulary. The first one is called Mera Pinda. It's actually a really cute app that teaches you the different body parts. It's very colorful and it has some funky animations. So this app, Mera Pinda, is made for children. It's not going to be that effective for me because my finger's so giant, but if you have small fingers, it's a really cool app. Oops. So the audio recording on this isn't as good, but the animations are pretty awesome. The second one is called Color Mix. Color Mix is kind of strange and weird, but it teaches you different colors. It's actually a really cool cut. The audio isn't as good, but it's still pretty cool because it teaches you a variety of different colors. But it can probably end up getting boring pretty quickly. It's aimed at very little children, so they probably might not get bored of it. The ads can be a bit annoying, but it's a very simple and basic application for teaching colors. These next 2 apps are a bit more comprehensive in terms of content. They not only teach you the basic alphabet, but they also go into basic vocabulary. So this is the first of the comprehensive Punjabi apps. As you can see, the user interface is very clear and very simple. So it has a visual dictionary section that features a huge variety of terms. Kumbani. Awesome. So it covers fruits, vegetables, food, herbs, spices, colors. It has a huge variety. The family section is pretty cool. That's me. And it talks about, you know, the different relatives. Perhaps one of the most interesting section is the house section, because a lot of these words aren't technically Punjabi. That's not Punjabi, bro.
Fridge.
Yeah.
Microwave.
It's teaching us how to say English words with an Indian accent. Uncle's voice is pretty legendary though. Kutta. The test feature is pretty good. It's the same format. You've got to select the correct one. There you go. Ananas. The phrase book is pretty cool as well. It teaches you greetings, general greetings. That's not good evening, but okay. Okay, that's more like it. Yeah, it's got a lot in there in terms of alphabet. It's got the same format. You just draw over it. Sorry for the terrible drawing. It's £1.49 and it's available both on iTunes and Google. The second advanced Punjabi app is also called Learn Punjabi. It's £1.49 as well, but it's not available on Google. And it has basic vocabulary, and it has people. The format is very different. So you click to hear the word, and then you can reveal the word. So it gives you a chance to guess, and you can choose the way you want to display the learning. So you can have the word with the transliteration and the English next to it, and you can click on it, or you can have a test mode. So you got to choose the correct answer. The test mode is actually pretty cool on this. And another cool feature is the study plan. So you can choose something and you can add the item to the study plan, and then you can go to your study plan, and then you can test yourself on the different words. This is it doesn't have as much vocabulary as the previous app, but then again it does still have quite a comprehensive range of words that it can teach you. So we've gone over some basic Punjabi apps, some apps designed for kids, and some more advanced Punjabi apps. These apps are really cool for the person on the go, and if you want to learn Punjabi but you don't want chitter in the Punjabi class. There's not much difference between all of these apps. They all have the same basic functionality. My favorite app though for advanced Punjabi is Learn Punjabi by Wagmob, because it does have a hugely comprehensive list of vocabulary. I like Learn Punjabi, the basic one, because it claps when you draw the letter, which is instant self-gratification right there. The kids apps are very funky, and more and more of these apps are being developed all the time, and they're very innovative in the way that they present learning basic vocabulary. Thank you for watching. If you like the show, then comment below and subscribe to the Naujwani.com channel. Join me, Shamsher Singh, again next month for another episode of New Tech, where we look at the apps, devices and accessories that make being Sikh and Punjabi more awesome.